Hey, welcome back to a new video. How you're doing? Hope you're well. So today we're going out again.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't.
So we've come out to do a bit of shopping. We've come to B&Q first. We're going to get some wood cladding for the roof, so that's exciting. We need to get some hooks as well for the back door, and we need to get like one of them bungee straps to hold stuff in, because at the back door we've got the table there and that can obviously slide around, which obviously isn't safe either, especially because the diesel heat is opposite that, or the diesel tank, sorry, is opposite that, so we need to sort that out. And then we've got to do some food shopping after. Well, that was pointless. Literally, they didn't have barely anything we needed. We got the bungee strap, but they didn't have the cladding. They don't stock that anymore during COVID-19. I don't know why. They stock everything else. They stock all different types of wood, but just not cladding, so that's a bit weird, but they don't have that. And the hooks as well that we wanted for the back door, they didn't have them. So I think we're going to try and go to Wix or maybe Screwfix or something, and see if we can get the hooks and the wood cladding as well. That plan's gone out the window. We've just checked online because we didn't check that before we came to B&Q, and that like came back to bite us in the bum. So we checked online with Wix, and they haven't got any in stock either. They've got some bigger ones, but they won't fit in the van, so we don't need that. The ones we've won, they've only got in stock in Chesterfield, and I'm not driving all the way to Chesterfield just to get some wood cladding. So I think we're just going to go shopping now and just get some food.
So we've just got back to the farm. It's about 4 o'clock now, so we're going to end up having a late lunch because we haven't had lunch today. Liam also managed to get some of these hooks that we were looking for in B&Q. He managed to find them in Morrison's, so we're going to stick them up today. We're actually going to put them on the back door opposite to the ones where our coats sit, but these ones are going to be for our towels. We're not currently using them at the minute, but we will do when we're actually on the road.
These are the hooks that we've got. They're the exact same ones that we've got on that door. We're going to just fit them on this door. Like we said before, on that door we've got our coats hanging up, but on this door we need to have somewhere to hang the towels up, obviously when they're all wet, so they can dry off, and just store them out of the way as well. Nice and easy to stick. If you haven't seen the video where we stick them up on that door, basically all you do is, let me just actually open it. Packets always do that. You open it and then it still never comes out. So the good thing is it gives you 2 spare ones, so you only need 2, and it gives you 2 spare just in case you go wrong. But all you do is stick this onto the back of here and then just stick it to the door. That's it. Then you're supposed to leave it, I think, 24 hours before you actually hang anything really heavy on it. We're not hanging the towels on it for probably a few months, well, not a few months, sorry, probably a week or 2 until we can actually start travelling, or hopefully a week or 2 until we start travelling. So that's them done now, nice and easy to fit. This is basically how they'll be. Obviously we'll have another towel hanging off there. All we've got to do to our towels though is just actually attach a tag on top, because these unfortunately don't really have a tag. They have a somewhat of a tag here, but that's like right in the corner, and that makes them huge, so we're not doing that. We need to obviously stitch one on in the middle somewhere so they hang up better. But they literally take 2-3 minutes to put on, not long at all. Just a quick and easy job, but again, little things like this make a lot of difference in a small space. So we just found an issue with the diesel heater. The tank for where the diesel is, I think there's a leak coming from it somewhere, and I believe it's from the nose that you have to put in yourself. I just don't think it's tight enough, because when I was tightening it, it was like, it got to a point where obviously it was just spinning, because the actual nose that was inside, you can't obviously grab that from the inside out, and it was just spinning. So I don't think it's gone quite tight enough, because there's a little puddle. Let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. So there's a little puddle, you can obviously see it there clearly, where the wood, this wood's a bit damp from down here, and when I put my hand here, there was a bit of diesel on there. So I think it's coming from this here. I think it's this seal at the top that's not doing it. I think it's this seal here that's leaking, and then just dripping down here, and then just dripping off. So I've dried it all now, and I'm going to keep an eye on it, but as you can see, the tank it's still got a lot of diesel in it, so we're just going to see how it goes, try and find out exactly where it's leaking from, and then take it from there, but that won't be today's task. So that task is probably for tomorrow now. What I'm going to do for the rest of the day, it looks like it's going to be a good sunset, so I might get the drone up in the air and have a bit of fly around with it. There's no wind either, so it's perfect conditions for it. So yeah, I'm probably going to get that up. If I get any good footage, you'll see it now.